Horses out, we have medals time. Pass to begin. Down on the inside is Enjoy the Magic, Madera, Dash of Humor, Chance on Dior, Perfect Pass, and Enigmatic. Now we have medals time by about 2 lengths. Perfect Pass in second, alongside third, Dash of Humor. 4 lengths win for Chance on Dior. Then comes Enigmatic. Enjoy the Magic, and Madera trails the field by about 8 to 9 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have medals time, enjoying a trip for a length lead. Perfect Pass is running by trail second, 2 lengths win third, Dash of Humor. Chance on Dior is racing in fourth, then comes Enjoy the Magic, Madera and Enigmatic. That's still medals time by Oralenka. Perfect Pass still in second, Dash of Humor now trying to get closer in third. Down on the inside for Chance on Dior, then comes Enjoy the Magic, Madera and Enigmatic. Medals time still in front, down on the inside, Perfect Pass. Chance on Dior coming closer in third, Dash of Humor. But it's still medals time by Oralenka. Chance on Dior, Dash of Humor is on the outside, Enjoy the Magic, Madera. Medals time, Chance on Dior takes the lead. Dash of Humor moving up on the outside, Enjoy the Magic. Madera in between horses. Medals time once again. Down on the inside, Chance on Dior, Madera. Medals time once again. And finally, close finish. Medals time, Chance on Dior. Then comes Madera. Enjoy the Magic.
Yung numero lang talaga ni Madera ang